Let's make some eggless chocolate chip cookies together, made with simple, ordinary ingredients, and the egg is swapped out for milk in this recipe. To begin, mix your dry ingredients together. This includes flour, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Set those aside, and in a stand mixer with a paddle attachment, add in softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar. Cream together until smooth. I typically mix on low speed for 1 minute and scrape down the sides of the bowl halfway through. Then pour in your vanilla and milk. Mix together again and scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed. And then you will go ahead and pour in your dry ingredients and mix together. Again, if any of the mixture is sticking to the sides of the bowl, go ahead and just scrape them down with a silicone spatula. Mix until just combined. Try not to overmix. Fold in the chocolate chips. I like to do a mixture of regular chocolate chips and chocolate chunks. Scoop out with a small cookie scoop or tablespoon, form them into balls, and place on a nonstick cookie sheet. Bake for about 7 to 9 minutes until the sides are light brown and the center of the cookie is set, and it's not overly doughy or gooey. Try not to overbake them. This will keep them soft and chewy, and remember that they'll continue to bake a bit while cooling on the baking sheet. Remove from the oven, and I like to sprinkle on a little bit of sea salt. Enjoy every single bite. Follow along and subscribe for more egg-free baking tips and all of your favorite baking recipes. Always egg-free and just using simple and ordinary kitchen and pantry staples.